Afternoon, everybody. Cliff here. Sorry for the lack of updates lately. Just in Cochrane for a few days just to look after a buddy's house. Yes, I'm still going to stay in the camper, but it gives me an opportunity to get the camper off the truck and get a few things done on it. I just thought I'd show you today on what a pain in the ass it is to get the camper off the truck. So if you take a look here, this is the manual jack right there. You can use the wind downs or you can use a impact drill, but unfortunately I lost my bit for the impact drill. So I'm going to show you how long it takes to get this bloody thing off. And then I need my my socket. This is ridiculous. Come on, Mastercraft. Ow. Not the smartest idea to stick your head underneath here, but whatever. And I'll just make sure this camper's not moving with me. And it is. And it's not. That was a camper moving. Now you know why I want to find another bit so I can use that. Hell of a lot easier. So that was, I think I started at about 20 minutes after 11, and I'll tell you what time it is right now. It's exactly that time. Dead phone time for the 5th time today. Maybe I should have shoveled this before I put the camper down after walking around the camper 600 times. You might ask what the best thing is about living in a camper. Well, it's usually the only thing you end up having to shovel out is your Ford, never a driveway.